What comes next in the pattern? This one's tricky. Pattern 1. What comes next in the sequence? Look for the pattern. That's right. The answer is D, yellow star. Color cycling through a fixed sequence of colors. Let's see if you notice. The pattern cycles through red, what comes next in the sequence, and then yellow for the star shape. The next item must be yellow to continue the cycle. Here's why. The answer is D, 4 yellow circles. Growing sequence of shapes. Pay attention to this one. Pattern 3 shows a growing number of circles. Next in the sequence? 2, 3 and cycles through red, green, blue, then yellow. That's right. The next item must be 4 yellow circles to continue both patterns. Shapes with cycling colors. Think carefully about this. Through circle, pattern triangle, 4. Square. What comes next in the sequence? And cycles through red, for the pattern. Green, blue, yellow for the color. The next item must be pink heart. The answer is C, both patterns. Green star. Color gradient for the same shape. The pattern next shows a color gradient. Pattern red, 5. Orange. What comes next in the sequence? The next item must continue this gradient to green. Here's the answer. The answer is C, star. Rotation through a fixed sequence of shapes. Ready? The pattern rotates through circle, pattern square, 6, triangle. What comes next in the sequence must be star to continue the rotation. Were you right? The answer is D, yellow star. Alternating between shape and color changes. This might surprise you. The pattern alternates between changing the shape. What comes next in the sequence? Triangle and cycling through colors red, blue, green. The next item must change both. The answer is B, star, and cycle to yellow for the color. Growing sequence of the same shape. Here's a good one. Cycling. Pattern 8. The pattern shows a growing number of triangles. 1, 2, look for the pattern. Cycles through green, yellow, blue. The next item must be 4 pink triangles. The answer is D, yellow patterns. Rotation through shapes with cycling colors. Okay, the pattern rotates through pattern 9. Triangle. What comes next in the sequence? And cycles through red, for the pattern. Blue, green for the color. The next item must be yellow heart to continue both patterns. 4 blue stars. Growing sequence of the same shape with color cycling. Here comes the next one. The pattern shows a growing number of stars. What comes next in the sequence? 3 and cycles. Look for the pattern. Yellow, pink, green. The next item must be 4 blue stars. The answer is C, both green star. Color gradient for the same shape sequence. Hit subscribe for more. Shows a color gradient red, orange.